हवा का पहला झोंका बदल रहा है मौसम सारा चुभती जलती गर्मी का
Summer season is here and I know that you all are facing the same consequence as we do. Like no energy for workouts. If we do long exercises, then mostly we feel dehydrated. This is one of the most common issue that comes in summer season. We also feel that the stamina levels are going down. Dehydration is there. It is because of the extravagant sun energy during summer. And as a result, we face that we are completely de-energized, dehydrated, and there is a loss of water from our body. In order to get better with our health and stay energized throughout the day, I have tried some amazing drinks in the last week that helped me in boosting my mood, my energy levels, and something that can actually keep you energetic throughout the day with high in stamina, also helps you stay hydrated, feel fresh. So yes, let's get started.
Hello everyone, welcome to 90 Days Ultimate Health Guide Project, where we focus on empowering knowledge, planning and execution. This is ultimate 90 days journey where you learn how to work on yourself in detailed aspects of your body and transform. If you need any detailed personalized attention with respect to your body, your health condition and want amazing workouts and nutrition planning, then you can join my 90 days challenge along with this ultimate project guide that we share on YouTube, because it makes your experience better to transform and change your life today.
So the first and foremost drink that we are making is a blueberry punch. Blueberries are not that readily available in India. Also, they are very expensive. However, blueberries are loaded with antioxidants. And if you are not able to find blueberries or you're not able to get it in your summer routine, then what you can do is use pomegranate, kiwi or black grapes for the similar taste and freshness. Here what we are doing is adding 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, some ice, some salt and then water to make this amazing and very simple blueberry punch. It turns out to be really refreshing. We are not actually juicing the blueberry out, we are just crushing it so that we are not losing on fiber as well. It turns out to be super hydrating and really tasty. I can tell you that this is one of my favorite and quickest drinks to consume in summer season. Also, it makes me feel so refreshed. Second, what we are going to do is take some jaw or barley and make jaw rabri out of it. It's very popular in Rajasthan and super fresh, hydrating and is best for summer season. Also, it's loaded with fiber. People in Rajasthan have jaw rabri to ensure that they are able to beat the heat with it. So what we are taking here is some chach, buttermilk, and then adding about 3 to 4 tablespoons of barley. We are going to continuously stir it well. Here we have taken 2 glasses of buttermilk in order to cook 3 to 4 tablespoons of jaw or barley. Then we are adding some black salt, some jeera powder, then our prepared rabri. We have also refrigerated it for 2 hours in fridge so that it becomes really delicious and tasty, because this is something that makes you feel refreshing, also fulfills you for the day. So it's like even on a hot summer day, when you are having 1 glass of rabri, you're almost half full for a meal. So yes, you can have it as a part of your lunch along with having little and small meals together. Moving on to the next drink, it's a pineapple spice drink. It turns out to be really tasty. Pineapple is inherently sweet. So we are adding a little bit of ginger to it, some mint leaves, and then blending this all together. This actually turns out to be really tasty, and this combination of pineapple, ginger, mint is so refreshing, so tasty, turns out to be great anti-inflammatory, and the sweetness of pineapple helps us take that ginger and mint together. Also, we have added some lemon, some salt, some ice cubes, blended it all together. We are not actually juicing anything, we are just blending everything together. The difference between juicing and blending is this, that you do not lose on fiber, and the fiber from pineapple is retained in this particular drink, and that is what makes it tasty, yummy, and at the very same time helps you feel refreshed, energized throughout the day. Moving on to the next drink is this sattu drink. Now sattu is one of the very popular drinks in Bihar. It turns out to be energizing, also is rich in protein because we are using gram flour here. We are adding very little amount of salt, some jaggery powder and some lemon here to make this drink really tasty and at the very same time refreshing. Again, sattu drink when taken in summer season helps you stay full for a longer period of time, and at the very same time helps you beat that heat. Sattu drink, jaw rabri, these are typical locally made drinks that are quite popular in different parts of our country but are known to give variety of benefits. They have been consumed by people over years, giving them refreshing taste in summer and also making sure that they are able to combat the heat and its side effect as it comes with the summer season. Also, this one is actually very filling. So if you consume one glass of sattu drink, you do not need any other meal at that particular time. So it can actually be very filling for the days when you are running on a very hectic schedule. Moving on to the next drink is my favorite and incorporates my own magic tea. If you don't know, I actually have my own magic tea blend. We source best green tea leaves from the best tea states of the country, blend it with cinnamon, turmeric, dried ginger and many other antioxidants, and that blend is what is sold as magic tea by GDT Fit. So we are making a yummy mocktail out of that magic tea. We have like prepared magic tea, stored it in refrigerator, then taken some mango pulp, crushed it well together, added the magic tea, added some lemon punch into it, a little bit of salt just for your taste, and mix it well together. It turns out to be amazing. That's one of the best way to gather your antioxidant with the mango season itself. So yes, if you want the magic tea, you can comment down below or find the link in my description. Moving on to the next drink, it's an antioxidant punch. Here we are using oranges and cucumbers to prepare this particular antioxidant punch. Because of the versatile nature of cucumbers and the hydration level that it provides, we can blend it together with crushed oranges, added some jeera powder and some salt, and make sure that you add a lot of ice. Certainly I forgot to add it here in the video. However, with ice it really turns out to be really tasty. Please do try it out, and I can assure you with all the drinks that I'm sharing here, you are going to love it, feel energized, feel hydrated. You can see a tremendous change in your energy levels too. Moving on to the next drink, it's our musk melon drink known as hydration zest. It's super hydrating and very easy to prepare as well. You take your musk melon and take the pulp out of it. Again, we are crushing the pulp, getting the most fiber, because these fiber actually has a lot of water also. So you can use it to prepare your drink more refreshing and hydrating at the same time. We are adding coconut water so that we get ample amount of electrolytes here. And then we are simply adding good amount of ice, some lemon into it, and then enjoy it. Super easy, super quick. Just musk melon and coconut water blended together to give us the best hydration zest. Last but not the least, it's a fresh Lagoon. It's super quick and easy to make. Because cucumbers are so versatile, you can blend it together with lemon, with mint. It turns out to be really tasty, and also it's super hydrating, as I mentioned. On the days when you feel dehydrated, loss of energy, you should try blending your cucumbers with mint leaves and lemon together, add black salt to it, and you will get a drink that's super refreshing. This is something that I do on very hard, hectic days. When I'm done with my workouts, I come and rest, and then I consume this particular drink. It makes it super tasty and very, very refreshing at the same time. So, yes, do try it out and let me know how many of the drinks you would like to try, and how many of you actually tried, and what do you feel as a result when it comes to refreshment, energy levels, hydration. Because I can tell you, because the blend of antioxidant in all these drinks is so high, that you are going to get some great results with respect to your skin health, gut health, and stay energized as well. So yes, I hope you will like it. That's it for this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay fit, stay happy. All of these drinks were really super yummy, tasty, and healthy at the same time. So try it out and let me know. Bye bye. Stay fit, stay happy.